This is is the nose sound. We make it by making a sound in our nose. Sometimes we can feel it tickling in our nose when we make it. Can stretch into other sounds like this.
Ni. No. Na.
We can hear in words like newspaper, nuts, noodles, and more nuts. N's favourite letter is letter N. Loves to go into letter N. Perhaps it's because N looks a little bit like a nose.